All right, Marty Coleman here. This is the J24 Midwinters in Tampa, and this is race number 2 on Friday. So the first race, we saw that the left was strong with pressure, even though the current was hurting them with a little bit of lefty wind to it up the first beat. And then now the wind's come in just a little bit more, so we'll see the speeds up just a little bit more. Let's look at the finishes. So Rossi got first, Robbie on Angel got second, Honey Badger, Travis 6, John Malcolm and Tim 8th, Habanera, Bangor, and I also have Aiden down here, mental. Okay, so we'll switch over, look at the results. Regatta, show step details. You can pause here and go through this. Rossi sailing at a 4.89 with a 2.2 distance the first, which is just about the shortest. 2.21 versus Honey Badger was 2.25, 2.27. So they sailed the shortest amount of that first beat. Let's look at the second beat. They sailed a 1.98. Again, shortest distance on the second beat also. Downwind, they sailed a 1.7, 1.8, 1.7. So yeah, that's a little bit harder. 5.03. Yeah, pretty fast. Tim was a little bit faster. And Tim was, or Malcolm and those guys were the fastest on the second run. Interesting in that regards. Okay, you can pause and look through that. All right, here we go. Let's go over here. Let's see, do I have the line somewhat straight on this one? Looks pretty good here. Looks like Bodan favored a little bit. Zoom in here. All right. Down here's the time. I think we're at 3 minutes. So what are we at? About 40, 39, 38. Look, everybody just trying to go slow in here. Go slow in here. What do we got? Maybe 30 seconds here. And 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Good start. Angel here again. Boat's a little bit favored. Rossi comes over here, gets a little knock, and actually passes us when we tack back. It's amazing. He's already ahead of us on Bangor. Look here. You can see Rossi already going to cross Tim and Malcolm and those guys. And you can just see the angle over here is not real good. So getting out the right just couldn't get out. Left is just being a little bit stronger. With a little more left line up in there. Little deja vu from the race before. Just not quite as prevalent. Probably all going slow in here. Rossi staying out to the left. And just these guys couldn't get out of the right. Top of the fleet management here. We can always talk about that and ley lines. And Rossi still putting it out close to the ley line. Had to tech out once, I guess. I think he wanted to, though, because he couldn't cross Travis. Slow it down a little bit here. So how did Angel get across those guys? Let's see. Where did he make up all of that gain? Just a clean lane coming out of the right. So the top right manages to make it happen. Rossi had to do 2 tacks over on that lane line. Maybe that's the difference. And takes the early jibe. You can see just getting out the bad air. They get over here, a little more clear air. Things get a little bit better for them. Somebody does a circle there, I think. I don't know what that is. I have to ask JP what happened there. Tim just staying outside, a little maybe clear pressure again. Probably just a little bit better pressure line right there. Something to be said to stay away from the pack. A little clear air. Look, lefty wind up in here. So let's see how Rossi and those guys in the far left do. Let's see how Tim ends up. If he can pull himself out of that right corner like happened with Angel there. Not really. Probably, yeah, look, ended up passing him there. We did. So, just hard making the right work. Pretty much a court run now if the way things are set up here. Okay, let's leave it on this and you can pause here.